How to get $100 code in Shein. Welcome to Let Me Help and let's get right into this tutorial. To get yourself $100 code in Shein, open up your browser. Search for Shein promo code. Now here you will find various of website dealing with Shein promo code. Just tap on any of the website. For the sake of this video, I'll be selecting this one. Now in some of the websites, you can also enter email address and tap on get alerts to never miss out any of the promo code or coupon of Shein or any other brand it deals with. To get your hands on the coupon or the promo, at the side you will see show coupon code button. You have to tap on it. Next, tap on copy. Select on Redeem at Shein. When you tap on it, you'll be redirected to the official webpage of Shein. Firstly, make sure you are logged in into your account. To redeem your promo code, firstly purchase an item off your Shein website. At the end of it, during the payment procedure, you will find a dialog button where you can enter the coupon or the promo code, which will get you a grand discount as well. Which has brought us to the end of the video. Thank you so much for tuning in.